Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tubby Time. It's 70 out today, and it's November 6th, 7th, 8th, something like that. So perfect opportunity to come out here on this gorgeous New England day and cook some delicious Italian sausage and peppers on the Blackstone griddle. Let's get into it. All right, so first off, we got two zones here on a medium low-ish heat. Reason is we don't want anything to burn. This is gonna take a little bit, so we want them nice and low. We're gonna cook it nice and slow, and we're gonna have a delicious meal in the end. Got me some onions. I have 3 small onions and a green pepper and a red pepper. And the only reason I use 3 onions is because they cook down, obviously. So we want enough and we want the ratios to be good. Hopefully they are. Oh shit, where's my thing? There we go. All right, so we're starting with our veggie oil. Get that down, and we're gonna throw these down. It seems like a lot, like I said, but they're gonna cook down, so no worries. We'll add our good, close, very close friends, salt and fresh ground pepper. And then we're gonna add a half a stick of butter to this, because butter makes everything better. Am I right? Give this a nice mix. And we'll just throw that off to the side right here, let that butter melt down. All right, so since we have some time to kill, I'm gonna throw I got this other like third of butter. Throw it down right here. And I got some of these nice hefty rolls. Just gonna throw them here. I'll get that other butter in there. I think we have enough. Oh yeah. Mop up some of this butter. We'll let those come to temp. Peppers and onions are looking buttery and delicious so far. Once these buns cook down, we'll move them back to the center. I am gonna add a spoonful of garlic to this, because garlic is amazing. What's really cool is the butter's running down into the rolls. We're getting there. Almost. As I've said in past videos, my flat top actually is cooler down here, so these buns aren't cooking as fast. It's looking real nice. I'm just gonna flip them over, toast them a little bit on the other side. And these are good to go. Move this back into the center. Mix them up a little bit. They're caramelizing deliciously. Using so many adjectives today to describe how amazing this meal is going to be. Oh, the amount of butter in here is, oh, it's so good. Just look at that. Oh, yeah. Gonna move these back over here, and we're gonna throw our sausage on now. So here we have some hot Italian sausages from Prine, or whatever the hell the brand is at Costco. I can't remember. We're just doing a 5-pack today because, 5 should be enough for 2 of us, I would hope. And we're just gonna throw them on like so. These aren't gonna cook that fast because we don't want them to. What I'll do is I'll just throw a little bit of oil on top, some pepper, and our good friend salt. We're not doing too much because they're already pretty salty to begin with, so. Where the fuck? God damn it. Can you go get my tongs? Just trying to keep an eye on these sausage and peppers, yeah. I'm trying to keep an eye on these onions and peppers because I don't want them to burn. They are melting down quite nicely. We got a goddamn bee flying around now. You might be asking yourself, thank you. You might be asking yourself, couldn't I use all of my zones so I have more workspace? Dude, I'm gonna fucking kill this thing. I could, but I like making things more difficult. We're gonna flip these sausages over. I'm trying to just get them seared on all sides. Dude, I am gonna lose my mind. The trick with cooking sausages is you want them to have a nice sear, then be nice and juicy. I think that's the same with any meat. But you want them to be juicy in the center, and you don't want to cook them too fast because then you're just gonna burn the outside and be pink in the center. And obviously the safe way to do this is with a meat thermometer. These are looking so nice. God, I love this flat top. It's amazing how much these peppers and onions actually decreased. It's a trick with onions. You never know how much you need. I'm just flipping these now. I'm just trying to sear them on all sides, like I said. Ooh, look at that. That's hot. It's coming on there. What I'm actually going to do is move these to right here. I'm going to move my sausage and peppers out so I can play with them some more. I keep saying that. I'm moving my sausage and peppers out. These are just peppers and onions. Don't mind me being an idiot. And we'll move these over here. Turn the heat up just a tad. And then what I'm going to do is this little trick I like to call being impatient. Take my basting cover. I'm just going to steam these a little bit. Oh God, we're popping. Let's turn the heat up just a bit to get a nice crisp on them. Because who doesn't like crispy vegetables? I would love one of these sausages to like pop and explode and thing to go everywhere. Yeah, that'd be great. I know they're not done yet, but I am going to take a temp. 99. Definitely not done. Didn't think they'd be done, but. Side note, Kale's making an apple crisp today, so I don't know what video we're going to release first, but be sure to check it out when we do release it. Add some more water here. Steam them up some more. These peppers and onions are looking pretty good. We're going to put them over here. I'm actually just going to turn this zone on low. Now this next part is optional. We're doing it because we want to kick it up a notch. I'm going to add some pasta sauce to this, marinara, if you will. We don't want to burn it, but this is the cool thing about the flat top, is that you can just do shit like this and be good. We'll add some like that, and we'll go and see how mixed in it is. I'm just going to mix this up. Like I said, low heat. We don't want to burn it. It looks terrible, like disgusting, but it's going to be good. What do you think, a little more? I'm going to add a little more. It's much denser now. It's thick. Damn, boy. That's what happens when you move it to the center. We don't want that. Let's check out our sausage. It smells so, so good. We're getting there. I think my goatee's looking pretty good. I like it this year. It's growing in very nicely. So our sauce is steaming. It's hot enough. Just do one more flip of these. Notice how they didn't curl up like normal sausages do when you cook them on like the stovetop or something. If you cook them too fast, they like to curl up and crack and bust out, and we don't want that. All right, these bad boys are more than done. So we'll turn the heat down. I'm gonna throw some Italian seasoning on the onions and peppers. You know, try doing this on a normal grill. Try cooking spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce with peppers and onions on a normal grill. It's not gonna work out. I can tell you, 100% guaranteed. Not gonna work out. All right, let's plate one of these bad boys up. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do, let's do this one. I know it's not even, but whatever. We can cut one in half if we want to. I'm not going to. Throw on some of our delectable peppers and onions. Get a nice mix. Oh God, oh, it's falling all over the place. Oh shit. And then, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Would you like to come down here and assist me? All right, you wanna hold that? And I'll even let you take the first bite for helping. We're gonna throw on some nice mozzarella, as you goddamn Italians call it. We'll put it down there and we'll throw that right on top. Let that steam for a second. I'm gonna take these bad boys and put them right on top. Absorb some of that flavor. Yeah, that's good enough. Whatever. Shit. Yep. These are our other buns, so we're good. All right. After you, ma'am. Take the first bite.
How? It's falling apart.
Use your hands. It's not that difficult. Get your little wimpy baby hands around the thing. Grab it like a man.
It's hot.
Okay, I'll take the first bite then. You hold it. Oh, I don't know how to attack this.
Stop being a wimpy baby.
Hold on. I need some of the sausage.
You make things look disgusting.
I love that sausage. It's so good. Oh, yeah. Get in there. Just take a bite. Did you guess any of the peppers? You did? What do you think?
I like it with the sauce.
Yeah. The sauce adds a nice kick to it.
Yeah.
You know, just plain peppers and onions with butter, that's amazing. But add some marinara sauce, you're good to go.
Yeah.
So, that concludes this episode of Tubby Time. Thank you for watching so much. We appreciate any support you can give us. Like, subscribe, comment, give us ideas on what you want to see on our other videos. And until next time, guys, stay safe.
Stay tubby.